Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm here to show you how to change the appearance for YouTube. Now keep in mind there are only two that you can have at the moment. It's either the dark theme or the light theme. So in the upper right hand corner, go ahead and click on your channel icon. It'll bring up a list of clickable options that you can manipulate. Underneath where it says appearance, go ahead and click on that. If you're already using dark theme and you want to go back to light theme, then you just simply click on light theme. And vice versa, if you want to go back to the dark theme, then you go back using the same method and click on dark theme. And that's how you change the appearance of YouTube. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel.